Tired of battling dust, pollution, and dry air at home? Let me introduce you to the ultimate solution, the Dyson Air Purifier with formaldehyde, humidifier, and fan. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out together. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to Shop Chavi Shilpa. Today, we are unboxing the Dyson Air Purifier, and not just any purifier. This is top of the model. This one tackles formaldehyde, humidifies the air and works as a fan. Perfect for Dubai's weather or any home struggling with air quality. तो मेरे घर के आसपास कई कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहे हैं, तो जब भी हम विंडो ओपन करते हैं, ऑल दोस कंस्ट्रक्शन डस्ट एंड सैंड keeps coming inside. Dyson's packaging is always premium, and this one is no different. Inside, you will find the main air purifier unit, filter, a remote control, and the user manual. सेटअप करना बहुत आसान है और मैं आपको इसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप दिखाऊंगी। अनबॉक्सिंग के दौरान मैंने नोटिस किया बहुत सारे टेप लगे हुए थे पूरे बॉडी ऑफ द प्यूरिफायर, विच वी नीड टू रिमूव फर्स्ट एंड देन प्लेस द फिल्टर till the time it makes that click sound. Open the purifier by pressing the side clips and carefully insert back the filter as per the instruction in the manual. Make sure they are aligned properly. There are two filters in this air purifier. One is HEPA filter and the other one is activated carbon filter. हमारे डायसन एयर प्यूरीफायर के मॉडल में ह्यूमिडिफायर भी है, तो इसमें हमें पानी भरना पड़ेगा, क्लीन एंड फिल्टर्ड वाटर. अवॉइड यूजिंग टैप वाटर टू प्रिवेंट मिनरल डिपॉजिट फ्रॉम द बिल्डिंग अप. It is advised to place the air purifier in a well ventilated area, preferably in the center of the room for maximum coverage. Keeping it away from walls, furniture or curtain will ensure unobstructed airflow. The setup is complete. Now let's plug in the purifier into a power socket and turn it on using the button on the unit or with the remote control. You will see the display light up showing air quality level. Use the Dyson Link app for advanced setting and real-time monitoring. You can also use remote or app to adjust setting like fan speed, oscillation, and humidifier level. You can also set it to use it as auto mode, where the purifier will adjust itself based on the air quality in the room. Dyson recommends replacing the filter every 12 months for optimal performance, and the app will notify when it is time for maintenance. And that's it. It took me around 10 minutes to unbox and set up my Dyson Air Purifier. Now, the purifier is ready to give us clean and fresh air every day. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shop Chavi Shilpa. Drop your question in the comments below and I will be answering everything shortly. If you like this unboxing, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shop Chavi Shilpa. Let me know in the comments if you have any question or want a detailed review after using it for a few weeks.